What's going on, everybody? It's JT from 7 Figures Marketing. Back with a new video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make your first Clickbank sale using Facebook ads step by step in 2020. So make sure you watch this video to the end, because throughout the video, I'm going to be giving away a lot of ninja tips that you're probably not going to find nowhere else. But now, without further ado, let's get straight into this training. All right, so before I show y'all how to actually get your first sale with Clickbank using Facebook ads, I want to show y'all quick little results that I got with ClickFunnels and ClickMagic. These are my ClickMagic commissions right here. Made almost $1,000 with ClickMagic and about $1,700 with ClickFunnels so far. And I haven't even been promoting it seriously. I've really just been like doing my own thing with my courses and affiliate marketing. But yeah, man, these are just some light results. I was gonna log into my other affiliate accounts and stuff that I'm doing behind the scenes, but just wanted to show y'all that I actually do make money online. But let's get back into the training, which is showing y'all how to make your first sale in Clickbank just using Facebook ads. So if y'all been following my channel, y'all know the quickest way, well, how it worked for me. The quickest way I seen success was modeling campaigns that was already working. So there's no need to really reinvent the wheel when you could just take what's already working and then just basically get your own piece of it. That's basically what I did to see my first 10K online, 20K online, and so on and so forth. Now, of course, once you get to the more advanced level, you can start creating ad copies, and you'll be able to create funnels yourself because you already know what's working. Like if you've seen if you've seen already 100, 200 different successful ads, you would know how to piece it together yourself without having to basically take what's already working. You would be able to do it yourself. But what I did was I was doing some spying, and I found somebody promoting an offer that I know that was inside of ClickBank. What I'm gonna do is just go through the whole entire funnel for y'all. But this campaign is basically, this offer is basically showing y'all how to bring old batteries back to life again. And if we go and click on Learn More, you can go check out the landing page. This is what I like to do. I like to look at everything. As you can see, profile pictures. I like to make my fan page similar to one that's already working. So what I do is just find the profile pictures similar to this, or just literally download his. Let me show y'all. You just click on the profile picture, click on options, download, boom. Now you got it. Same thing with the cover photo. Let's see, embed. Another thing you could do is control, open image in a new tab. Boom, now it's yours. You can save it if you wanted to. There you go, just that easy. So yeah, if you want to replicate this, is this his landing page? Seemed like he direct linked. I don't know how he was able to get that off, but yeah, he's direct linking with this Clickbank offer. If you don't know what this offer is, easy battery reconditioning. If you go over to Clickbank, you can just go to the affiliate marketplace, click on the search tool, and I believe it's on the second page. And I just looked at it earlier. Here you go, right here. Pays out $51 per sale, gravity of 117. Now, another thing, if you've been following my channel, y'all know I like to promote products with a gravity of at least 30 and above, because if you're promoting products with gravity under 30, it's kind of like, the conversion is not that good. But what I like about this offer the most is the affiliate tools that they give you for promoting the product. Affiliate tools, the more affiliate tools, the better, because with this product in particular, because I already checked out the affiliate tools page, I'm going to show y'all, but they give you so many resources. It's almost hard to fail with something like this. Like, it's literally just down to the product doing this thing. Everything else, they give it to you. They give you landing pages, email swipes, banners, the Facebook ad kit, which is the most important part. They give you lead magnets you can use, demographics. Like, they literally just hand you a winning campaign. All you got to do is just take advantage of it. So let's go to the Facebook ad kit so you can go check it out. They even giving you, funnels of how you should set it up and things like that. Just all you gotta do is just come to the affiliate tools page. If you're promoting a product and it don't have any affiliate tools, that's a red flag. I mean, the offer is not that good. So of course, imagine you having a really good product and you want to have thousands and thousands of affiliates promoting it. Wouldn't you want to give them every resource to make it work for them? So that way you can make more money yourself. Exactly. That's the whole principle of promoting products with a lot of affiliate tools. That just means the offer works, basically. Let's see what else they got. Set up a page. I already did this myself, and then I actually got this campaign going for tomorrow morning. Today is Wednesday. I think the 18th or the 17th. I got it going the next day in the morning. So I'm actually running this myself, but I just want to show y'all. Basically, what you could do is find people that's promoting things like this. So, okay, you know this is about battery reconditioning. You could easily do a simple Facebook search. You could say something like battery reconditioning. Battery reconditioning. Boom. Search on Facebook, you'll find ads like this. It's basically how I found this, and I go over more of this inside my elite course on how I find campaigns like this in literally seconds. Those of y'all, I know the majority of y'all that watch my channel, you already know about my method on how I find 6 and 7 figure campaigns. But what you could do if you want to run this campaign yourself, boom, you can take this ad copy, build up a swipe file. So let's say ad copy number 1, boom, paste it. Now you got it yourself. All you're gonna need from there is your own landing page. But he was a direct link on this. Good thing I brought up another example to show y'all somebody that's promoting this same exact offer. And if you want to take the image, all you could do is just hit Control if you're on Mac, and boom, open image in a new tab. You can take the image he was running. You can set it up on your own Facebook fan page. You can take his ad copy. So what I like to do is I like to test out at least 2 different ad copies for all my campaigns. So let's go back to ad copy 2, paste that there, and let's bold this so it stands out. Boom. So when you're creating your ad sets over on Facebook, you would know, okay, ad set, well, ad number 1 with this copy, ad number 2 with this copy. You see which one gets you the cheapest clicks, and boom, that's the one you will want to run with. But oh, same thing with the images. Open a new tab, steal the images from this one and this one. You can run a split test and see which image is working great for you. You got the headline, you got the description you can copy. They don't let you just straight up copy those, so you'll just have to manually type it in, which I don't feel like doing right now, but want to know a dead simple method. Now, if you is planning on running this campaign for yourself, don't use words like dead, kill, and things like that, because that's kind of like a red flag to Facebook. What I would do, oh damn, we on 5%. But what I would do is basically use words like old. Let's see, want to know a easy or super simple method that helps bring any old battery back to life. That's what I would use myself. So that way I don't get into no trouble with Facebook. And as far as targeting, you can go back to the affiliate resources, and they should show demographics or interest targeting groups. Perfect, right here, to advertise for the best EPC and conversion rates. They literally just handing this stuff to you. Like, I feel like people just make this stuff too difficult. They don't go through the affiliate resource page. They don't just spend some time going on Google or using the Facebook audience insights to find interest related to the product. Ultimately, it's no perfect, it's not no set interest. It literally just comes down to testing and seeing what works best for you. Because somebody might upload a YouTube video like I'm doing right now telling you to target auto industry interest. But the whole time, the most convertible or the most converting interest might be in the survival niche. So it's literally just down to testing. But definitely starting out, what I would do is target auto-related interests. Because I see is like a car battery, so obviously I would run a target auto-related interest. This is a car battery as well. But they saying in the resources that these are all the different niches that you can attack: car repairs, auto, the auto industry in general, off-grid stuff, DIY, auto parts, survival, woodworking. You just got to find images related to these things and just kind of create your own angle with it. And just doing some spying on people that's already seeing success. But like I say, I would just literally take ad copy similar to this. Now, I wouldn't copy it word from word. I'll probably swap out a few lines just to make it unique. And the website I like to use for emojis, because I see they don't use any emojis in their ad copies. I feel like emojis makes your ad stand out more than just plain text like this. Let's see if this ad used any. Nope. So that's a way you can make your ads unique by using emojis after the first line or two, just to make it pop. And let's see, what else did I not cover? Oh, another thing too, when you're finding fan pages that is running affiliate offers, here's a ninja tip right here. You can go down to page transparency right here, click on see more. And if the page is running ads, you can see literally the exact ads that they are running for that page. Let's see. This page is not currently running ads, but when you start to check out other pages in whatever niche that you're promoting in. You just come out to the page transparency, and if they is running ads, you just click on go to ad library, and it normally show it right here once it's done loading. Let's see, no ads that match your criteria. So let's see if the other one was running ads. Page transparency, see more. Boom, right here. This page is currently running ads, so let's see what they're doing. A lot of times at pages like this, they either be running like page like campaigns, they running, let's see. Okay, boom. Launched December 2019. Okay, so he's probably promoting his blog. I'm pretty sure if I click over here, you're going to see 35 cool DIY gadgets that you can make to impress your friends. I'm pretty sure they probably got some Google ads or something like that set up on their websites. Or basically, when people click those ads on the sidebar and the footer, they get paid by click or something like that. And that's how they're making their commissions, as well as affiliate offers that's on their blog. So that's another way that you promote offers. And they run, like I said, page like campaign just to build up their fan page. See how many likes they got. It said 19,000. So boom, just that simple. Let's see. Another thing I like to do as well, another way you can find landing pages. Oh, let's see. I didn't even check out the landing page for this guy. So yeah, you already got your ad copy, you got your ad images, you got your headline that you can swipe. If you click on that call to action button or the link that's inside their post, boom, here you go. You got a whole done for you landing page that you can model that you know is already working because somebody else already ran traffic to it. So if you make a landing page similar to this, whether you're using ClickFunnels, Builderall, Kartra, InstaBuilder, OptimizePress, whatever you're using, you can make a landing page similar to this. Just basically like copy and paste everything that these people was already using. And, you know, make sure you have your privacy policy, your terms and conditions, the Facebook template or whatever you want to call it, Facebook script, Facebook template. I normally just copy this and paste it on all of my websites, so I don't get into no trouble with Facebook. As long as you got your compliance stuff at the, in the footer section, make sure you throw in some text, some images, a couple call to action buttons. You're pretty much good to go. But that's how I like to model my landing pages off a landing page that's already working. So, like I said, you got your ad copy, you got your images, you got the landing page that you can model. You're pretty much good to go. The only thing you got to do now is just set it up in Facebook and test out different interests. Now, what I did personally is I set up, because I got this ad set up to run in the morning. I got 4 different ad sets with a budget of $20 per day. So each ad set, $5 a day with 4 different ads. And I actually give this whole entire campaign away, like literally my exact targeting, all the images that I'm using, my exact landing page that you can just copy and import onto your own ClickFunnels account inside of the members area of my elite course. You go down to, I don't want to scroll down, but if you're in my elite course, you know, all you gotta do is just scroll down to bonus done for you campaigns, and it is campaign number 6. This is exactly what I'm using to set this up. Let's see. Oh, here's my Facebook business manager right here, so you can see I'm not lying. Here's the campaign. Say it's scheduled. It's set up to run, like I said, in the morning. So I can't wait to see the type of results I get with this. I'm about to run this campaign for a few days and see if I can get some results. Hopefully I can get a couple sales, and if I do get some sales, I will upload a new YouTube video. But like I say, come over to Clickbank. You want to run this product yourself, just click on promote. I'm assuming if you're watching this video, you already got your account set up. So let me move my face out of the way. Just put in your account nickname. Mine's Big Jalen. Tracking ID, you can put whatever. Oh, another thing I recommend everybody do. Like, if you actually plan on taking this campaign serious, I recommend going over to your Facebook Business Manager and setting up a Facebook pixel to put on your landing page, so that way you can track all your visitors. You can create custom audiences, lookalike audiences, and that's how the super affiliates. The super affiliates is not getting rich off of just running interest ads. They using lookalike audiences, retargeting ads, custom audiences, and things like that, so they can reach a farther demographic than, because everybody else is competing with the same interest. Eventually, you know, you're gonna run out. But with lookalike audiences, it's almost infinite. It's like 20 different ways you can create audiences from lookalike audiences. You can create lookalike audiences from people that watch your video, people that landed on your website, people that opted into your email, you know, things like that. So, you know, it's just ways to really scale this up once it gets to working. But like I said, if you plan on taking this serious, why not set up the Facebook pixel? I normally do it once I know the campaign, if I see the campaign get a few sales right out the gate, I know this is something I probably should take serious. So I'm gonna set up the Facebook pixel, I'm gonna set up the tracking, things like that, so I can really scale up and turn this into a home run campaign like I always do. But that is pretty much that, man. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, leave a comment down below if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. And if you want to run this campaign exactly how I'm doing it, you can come pick up this exact done for you campaign. Like I said, I got all the targeting that I'm using, multiple ad copies you can use, different images and things like that, landing pages, with the exact landing page I'm using to promote this product. And once you become a member of the elite course, you get 100% free lifetime updates. So you purchase one time, you get all the updates whenever I add in a new done for you campaign, a new training, things like that. You also get access to the private Facebook group for the elite course, or you can network with all the other members. You can see we got 335 members so far and counting. But yeah, man, that's pretty much all I got for this video, and I will see y'all in the next one.